Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing my Thanksgiving cranberry sauce recipe with all of you. If you are new here, my name is Marissa. I am a pharmacist and health coach, and if you want to learn how to make healthy food taste delicious and improve your health, then you're going to want to click that subscribe button and join my community. I upload videos every single week on these topics to help you guys take the stress out of cooking and eating healthy foods, as well as help you guys make progress towards and reach your health goals. Okay, so I love cranberry sauce. It's incredibly easy and quick to make, and it's also filled with lots of nutrients like vitamin C and fiber, which, for example, is going to help strengthen your immune system, improve your digestion, and also help assist in collagen production. It's also much healthier than the jellied cranberry sauce in the can, which is made with high fructose corn syrup and corn syrup, which are two ingredients that I recommend avoiding in your food products. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's recipe. All right, so we're gonna start by rinsing a 12-ounce bag of fresh cranberries under cold water and adding them into a medium-sized pot. Then you're going to rinse a large orange under cold water, and we're gonna zest the entire thing straight into the pot. If you don't have a large orange, then you're gonna wanna use like 2 small to medium-sized oranges for this recipe, and you're gonna use the zest off of each one along with the juice. So once you're done zesting, you're going to slice the orange or oranges and squeeze all of the juice that you can get out of them straight into the pot as well. Just make sure that you don't include any seeds from the orange in the pot. Next, we're going to add in some freshly grated ginger. I love to add fresh ginger into my cranberry sauce. It gives it a wonderful aroma, and it also adds tremendous flavor along with health benefits into our cranberry sauce. So what I like to do is grab a vegetable peeler and I peel off the outer layer, and then I grate the ginger on a microplane. Then I measure out about a teaspoon of the freshly grated ginger, and I add this straight into the pot. Now, if you overgrated ginger, that's okay. You can actually save that and use it in a stir fry or make ginger tea. So there are lots of ways to repurpose that. Next, you're going to add in a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and now we're gonna add in some honey. So you're gonna add in a half a cup of honey, and my trick with easily measuring out the honey is to first grease the liquid measuring cup with some avocado oil or coconut oil, and this makes the cooking process as well as the cleanup so much easier. So you're going to pour that honey straight into the pot, and with how much honey you like, if you don't like this to be super sweet, you can add in a little bit less. It really is, up to you. Again, you're the cook here, you're the boss, and you can determine how much you want. So that's all the ingredients that you need for this cranberry sauce. And now you're going to transfer the pot over to the stove, and we're going to bring this to a boil, and then we're going to reduce the heat and allow it to simmer. This sauce does not take a lot of time to cook. It maybe takes about like 10 minutes. So you definitely want to keep an eye on it and keep stirring it occasionally, especially as the cranberries start to break down, as you can see right here. I think it's really fun to watch the cranberry sauce cook because as the cranberries start to heat up, they make like a popping sound, and it's kind of fun. So as I'm standing there, I'm stirring it, and what I'll do just to kind of help the cranberries break down is I'll use the wooden spoon to gently push the cranberries against the side of the pot. And as you can see there, it just helps to, it helps the cranberries break down, and this is going to help the sauce cook maybe just a little bit faster too, and it will help prevent it from sticking to the bottom. So once it looks like this, it is done. It's good to go. This is actually the consistency that I like it. It's pretty smooth, but there are still a couple chunks in there. If you don't like chunks, then you can keep stirring it, keep cooking it, or you can use an immersion blender to really go in there and make it a very nice and smooth sauce. So allow it to cool a little bit, because otherwise you're gonna burn your tongue like crazy, and you can taste it, make sure that it's sweet enough for you, and this is what it looks like once it's all done, and you can eat and enjoy it alongside the rest of the food that you're going to enjoy at your Thanksgiving meal. Also, I just wanted to say that you can eat this hot or cold or even room temperature, so it's a really nice thing to kind of meal prep, make ahead if you are trying to save some time on the big day. All right, you guys, so that is how you make this recipe. Let me know if you make it. And also you can check out this video on the screen on how to make roasted green beans to enjoy on the side of your Thanksgiving dinner. I wish you all a happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.